Alrighty, spray calibration. Now this is a must for everyone to do. You must understand how this works, and if you don't, you must get in contact with me so I can help you understand this. It's going to be pretty simple. What you need is you need a backpack sprayer. Any type of backpack sprayer. You can get away with even a 5 litre sprayer. The reason why I use a backpack sprayer is so that I don't have to put down my sprayer and pump it up to maintain the pressure. I just walk along with this sprayer and pump as I go to maintain that pressure. Next biggest thing before you get started is making sure you have a flat nozzle in the sprayer, and that's for correct application. We utilise flat fan nozzles across all turf professional fields, you know, your sports fields, your bowling greens, your golf courses, your racetracks. So it's the same nozzle, but instead of having 12 and being on a tractor, you've just got one and you're going to manually do it yourself. We're going to get the same result though. I'm going to teach you how I use it. Okay, so first thing is we're going to spray over 20 square meters and we're going to times it by 5, because ultimately I want you guys to understand how much water you put out over 100 square meters, and we're going to work some maths equations in later so that you can work out how much water you'll need over your area. How we get started is you mark that out. I've already got mine marked out. You can mark it out with like marking paint, you can mark it out with rocks, you can mark. I've just got lids today. I don't really want much stuff over my lawn. Do it with a tape measure. You're only going to do this once. You want to do it properly. That's the same with marking out the area for your lawn. You want to do this properly, so do it, use a tape measure. Okay, before you get started, have a spot that you're going to start the sprayer in, and you're going to fill it up to a certain line. Definitely try and get it right up to the top, and use that same, mark that spot, because you're going to come back to that spot to fill it back up with your watering jug to find out how much you used over that 20 square meters. So it's just water, there's no PPE, don't have it on, but it's just water. Just relax, we got this. Okay, I'm going to take you over here, I'm going to put this backpack sprayer on, and we're going to calibrate, guys. Alright, something come up yesterday as I had a guy come around, and it makes sense, but when they're setting up your sprayer and you're buying your sprayer online, people putting their nozzles this way, and what they'll doing is they'll spraying forward like that or spraying backwards. Two things: if you spray forward, you're going to walk through all your spray drift, you're going to walk through all the products that you put out. If you walk backwards, you could potentially trip over an undulations or something in your lawn. I don't do either. I have my nozzle on the side, and you're going to see that I walk just by the side of my spray. Now also, I don't want to, you guys will struggle to see for the first time. You guys aren't turf professionals, but I want to let you know, if you struggle to see your spray drift, to use some food colouring, blue or green, red food colouring, so you can see where you're going. I got the luxury of sitting in my stripes here. Anyway, let's get started. I've pumped myself up. Here we go. Maintain a consistent pace as you're walking, 30 centimeters off the ground. Get to the end, click it off, keep that pumping to maintain the pressure. That's it, just by my side, walking back. Just remember, it's just water. If I spray in any product, I've got long pants on, I'm following the instructions. Starting again. So for some guys, it might be 4 passes. I know my overlap, especially with this spray. I've just done 3 passes. What we're going to do is going to come back over here, put it on that exact same position as I filled up, use my measuring jug and work out how much water I used over that 20 square meters. Let's go. We fill it back up. My measuring jug, 600 mil, and fill it back up to that line that I started with. Just be careful you don't drop any. Fill it back in. I'm filling it up. I've got my my line on the inside here, and that is about perfect. So I've used 600 mil over 20 square meters. Now you times that by 5 to work out your 100 square meter rate, and 5 times 600 mil, 3 litres. I've used 3 litres to get over 100 square meters. That's probably the minimum water rate that you want to go out at, but the range for product applications do say on the bottle. I like to work in a range of 3 litres to 5 litres per 100 square meters, especially for the foliars and the weed herbicides. But anyway, getting back to it, I'm use 3 litres over 100 square metres. I'll give you an example here. Your lawn might be 200 square metres. So what that means is you need 6 litres to go over 200 square metres. If your lawn is 150 square metres, you're going to need about 4.5 litres of water to get over that area. All of my products that I've set you guys up with have rates on them. Although I do want you guys to read the label and understand the label, I have taken all that information out for you, all the hard work. And a good example of one of my products might be Bow and Arrow, the weed spray, where I say, right, you've got to use 50 ml of this per 100 square metres. I'll use the example of a 200 square metre lawn. I know that I need 6 litres of water to cover that 200 square metre lawn, and now I know 50 ml of Bow and Arrow per 100 square metres, I need to put in 100 ml of Bow and Arrow to get the result and justify that product, Bow and Arrow. So if I do that and I apply it evenly, there's no way I won't kill the weed, there's no way I won't get a result. That's how you benchmark your products. With regards to all the other products that I use, same thing. I've got rates for them. You've got your water rate, your 6 litres per 200 or your 3 litres per 100. That's your water rate for life, unless you start walking slower or walking faster and it changes. You can come back to this video at any stage, redo your calibration and get a new water rate per 100. So yeah, work it out. It's a great way, it is the only way to do these products justice. These products are the best in the industry, and if you want to do them justice, work this out. This thing will make your life so easy and will make your lawn so good. Please work it out. I'm now turning you guys into turf professionals. Welcome.